Today, we're diving into the mysterious world of younger women and their secret signals. Ever catch a cute young thing giving you the eye and wonder, is she really into me, or am I just imagining things? Well, buckle up because I'm about to reveal how to spot those telltale signs that she's got a crush on your mature self. Before we move forward, if you're ready to take your dating life to the next level, there's a free strategy call waiting for you. Links in the description or pinned comment. 1. Frequent eye contact. All right, gents, let's talk about the windows to the soul, the eyes. You know that feeling when you catch her staring, and suddenly it's like the rest of the world disappears? That's not just your imagination running wild. When a younger woman is into you, she'll make eye contact like it's her job. We're talking lingering glances, meaningful looks across the room, and that classic move where she looks away bashfully when you catch her staring. But here's the kicker. It's not just about how often she looks at you. It's about how long she holds that gaze. If she's locking eyes with you for more than a few seconds, that's her way of saying, "Hey, handsome, I see you, and I like what I see." It's like a secret language, fellas. And if she throws in a little smile or a playful wink, game over. She's practically screaming, "Come talk to me." So, next time you're out and about, pay attention to those lingering looks. If you find yourself in an impromptu staring contest with a lovely young lady, chances are she's trying to tell you something. And trust me, it's not that you've got spinach in your teeth. 2. Playful teasing. Listen up, guys, because this one's a doozy. When a younger woman starts teasing you, it's like she's waving a big ol' flag that says, "I'm interested." But we're not talking about mean-spirited jabs here. Oh no, this is the fun, flirty kind of teasing that makes you feel like you're back in high school, in the best way possible. Picture this. You're chatting away, and suddenly she's poking fun at your dad jokes, or your vintage taste in music. But here's the thing. She's doing it with a twinkle in her eye and a smile that could light up Times Square. That's her way of creating a playful connection and showing you she's comfortable enough to joke around. And let's not forget the classic move of giving you a silly nickname. "Oh, look who it is, Mr. Smooth," she might say with a grin. That's not just teasing, my friends. That's her way of creating an inside joke, a special connection that's just between the two of you. So, the next time a younger lady starts ribbing you about your gray hair or your old man habits, don't get defensive. Laugh along, dish it right back, and enjoy the flirty fun. Because remember, gentlemen, if she's teasing you, she's definitely pleasing you. 3. Initiating conversations. All right, fellas, let's talk about the art of conversation, specifically when she's the one kicking things off. You know that feeling when you walk into a room, and suddenly she's there, chatting you up like you're the most interesting man in the world? Well, newsflash, you probably are, at least in her eyes. When a younger woman goes out of her way to start conversations with you, it's like she's sending up a flare gun of interest. She's not just being polite, she's actively seeking out your company. Maybe she's asking your opinion on the latest Netflix show, or she's curious about your thoughts on the meaning of life. Whatever the topic, the fact that she's initiating means you're on her radar, big time. And here's a pro tip. Pay attention to how often she does this. If you find yourself constantly being approached by the same young lady, whether it's at work, the gym, or your favorite coffee shop, that's not a coincidence, my friend. That's a pattern, and patterns don't lie. So the next time she pops up out of nowhere with a "Hey, what do you think about?" don't just answer and walk away. Engage, ask questions back, and see where the conversation leads. Because remember, gentlemen, when she starts the talk, she's inviting you to walk the walk. 4. Asking personal questions. Now, gents, we're diving into the realm of personal questions. When a younger woman starts probing into your life like she's auditioning for the role of your biographer, that's a clear sign she's intrigued. We're not talking about surface-level small talk here. Oh no, we're talking about the kind of questions that make you feel like you're on the world's most flattering job interview. So, what was it like growing up in the 80s? She might ask, eyes wide with genuine curiosity. Or maybe she's more direct. Have you ever been married? What happened? These aren't just random inquiries, fellas. She's trying to piece together the puzzle that is you, and she's fascinated by every detail. But here's the kicker. It's not just about the questions themselves. It's about how she responds to your answers. Does she lean in closer when you're speaking? Does she follow up with more questions, hanging on your every word? If so, congratulations. You've got yourself a bona fide interested party. Remember though, this isn't a one-way street. Show interest in her life too. Ask her questions back, share your own experiences. Because when she's asking about your past, what she's really saying is, "I'm interested in your future, hopefully with me in it." If you're enjoying today's tips on dating, don't forget to like and comment. For a deeper transformation, consider our free 60-minute strategy call. You'll learn how to meet more women and date with newfound confidence. Click the link in the pinned comment to reserve your session. 5. Touching you casually. All right, gentlemen, it's time to talk about the power of touch. When a younger woman starts finding reasons to lay her hands on you, it's like she's playing a game of, how many times can I touch him before he gets the hint? Spoiler alert, the answer is as many times as it takes. We're not talking about full-on groping here. That's a whole different ballgame. No, we're talking about those subtle, accidental touches that send electricity shooting through your body. Maybe she's laughing at your joke and just happens to rest her hand on your arm. Or perhaps she's squeezing past you in a crowded room and lets her hand linger on your back just a second longer than necessary. These touches are her way of testing the waters, seeing how you react. It's like she's conducting a scientific experiment, with you as the very willing subject. And let's be real, fellas, it's a pretty enjoyable experiment to be part of. But here's the real secret. These touches aren't just about physical contact. They're about breaking down barriers, creating intimacy, and signaling that she's comfortable with you. So, the next time you feel that gentle tap on your shoulder or that accidental brush of her hand against yours, don't just brush it off. Pay attention, because those little touches might just be the start of something big. 6. Complimenting your appearance. Listen up, because we're about to dive into the world of compliments. When a younger woman starts showering you with praise about your appearance, it's like she's holding up a neon sign that says, "Hey, hot stuff, I'm into you." And let's be honest, who doesn't love a good ego boost? Now, we're not just talking about a casual, nice shirt here and there. We're talking about the kind of compliments that make you feel like you've just stepped off the cover of GQ. "Wow, that salt and pepper look really suits you," she might say with a twinkle in her eye. Or maybe she'll go for the classic, "You must work out, huh?" complete with an appreciative glance at your arms. But here's the thing, gents, it's not just about what she's saying, it's about how she's saying it. Is there a hint of shyness in her voice? A little blush creeping up her cheeks? That's the good stuff right there. That's her way of saying, "I'm not just being polite, I genuinely find you attractive." So, the next time a younger lady tells you that gray hair makes you look distinguished, or that your laugh lines are charming, don't just mumble a thanks and move on. Take it for what it is, a clear sign of interest. And hey, feel free to return the favor. After all, a little mutual appreciation never hurt anyone, right? 7. Dressing up for you. All right, gentlemen, it's time to put on your detective hats and pay attention to the finer details. When a younger woman starts treating every encounter with you like it's New York Fashion Week, that's a surefire sign she's trying to catch your eye. And let's be honest, it's working, isn't it? Picture this. You're meeting for a casual coffee, but she shows up looking like she's ready for a red carpet event. Her hair's done just so, her makeup's on point, and is that a new outfit? You bet it is. She's not just dressing up, she's dressing up for you. It's like you're the judge, and she's gunning for that Best Dressed award. It's not just about looking good. It's about the effort she's putting in. Maybe she mentioned offhand that you once complimented her blue dress, and suddenly she's wearing blue every time you meet. Coincidence? I think not, my friend. And let's not forget the power of scent. If she's suddenly wearing perfume that makes you want to lean in closer every time she's near, well, that's no accident either. She's using every weapon in her arsenal to make sure you notice her. So, the next time you see her and she looks like she just stepped out of a fashion magazine, take it as the compliment it is. She's putting in the effort because she thinks you're worth it. And who knows? Maybe it's time you stepped up your game too. After all, turnabout is fair play, right? So now that you know how to spot those signs, what's next for you? Discover the best compliments to give younger women, or learn how to drive her crazy. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.